bawat piso may katapat na piso. So pag nag-run ka ng balances, dapat balance siya. So, yun siya. Yan. When you enter at financial transaction, it affects one debit and one credit. Well, not always one, kasi meron tayong isang tinatawag na compound entry. Pero yung debit and credit stays equal always, no? And also, yan din yung core ng fundamental equation ng accounting, which is yung asset is equals to liabilities and capital. Yan siya. Kaya nagbabalance yung asset into liabilities and capital. It's because of this system, itong double entry accounting system. So, yan. So, ano ba yung asset? So, makita natin, asset plus liability and capital. So, asset, ito siguro yung pinakamadaling intindihin kasi lagi natin itong naririnig. Pag asset, ibig sabihin, pag-aari yun ng negosyo or pag-aari mo, di ba? Meron siyang monetary value, cash, inventory, equipment, anything you put into the business that is owned by the business, that is asset. Yan siya. So, sa personal finance, meron ka din yan. May mga personal asset ka din. So, importante na, ganun din, magkahiwalay siya kahit sole pro yung business mo. Importante na mayroon kang distinction kung alin yung asset ni business and the asset mo personally. Yan. So, ang normal balance ng asset is debit, no? So, ibig sabihin, pag nag-run ka ng balance, kapag yung asset is negative, yung ending balance niya is negative siya, ibig sabihin may mali. Either may mali sa recording mo, may mali on how the process in the business runs, no? Yan. So, dahil ang normal balance niya is debit, pag nag-increase siya, you debit. Kapag nababawasan siya, you credit. Yan siya. So, medyo technical to and boring actually, pero kailangan siya. Ayan. So, example niyan is yung pag nakatanggap ka ng cash from a sale. Kapag nagbayad siya on cash, pagkabenta mo, you debit cash or credit sale. Pag nagbenta ka, pero pautang yung benta mo, you debit accounts receivable and then yung credit sale. Pag freelancer ka, di ba, sa freelancing, meron tayong halimbawa, na-perform mo na yung service, hindi pa nagbayad. So, parang ganun yun, pautang yun.